and welcome back to Simply Fatima. I'm so excited that you're here for another video. Today's video, according to the thumbnail and the title, is a Louis Vuitton unboxing. I got my hands on a unicorn item and I'm super excited to share it with you guys. If you're an oldie but a goodie, welcome back, and if you are new, welcome to Simply Fatima, where we talk about all things luxury and luxury handbags. If you are not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Just go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's free. It's free to hit, so just hit it. So hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up on this video, and also hit that bell notification so that you'll never miss an upload. Also follow me on Instagram at _simplyfatima_loves_luxury, and just chit chat with your girl there and just show your girl some love. I love getting to know each and every one of you guys there. And so yeah, just follow me and let's have a great time. Also, please don't forget that I am doing a 1,000 subscriber giveaway. All the entry details will be in the description box down below. Curious to know what the prizes are. A winner, one individual will get to win the tote bag by Marc Jacobs, and another individual will get to win these Gucci sunglasses. So all the information about the giveaway will be in the description box down below. So please make sure to read the description box. So without further ado, let's get right into this video. Okay, so disclaimer. I filmed an unboxing video on this particular bag the other day. I could not edit or upload that video just because the audio was not working. So I'm technically refilming this unboxing. So to be fair, I have already seen the bag, but we're sharing in this experience together, so you get to see my first impressions even though I've already unboxed it. So with that disclaimer out there in the air, let's go right into this. So here's my package. It's from Louis Vuitton. I ordered this online and it came to me by mail. I didn't think it was gonna get to me that quickly, even though it said even though the Louis Vuitton website for Valentine's Day said expedited shipping. I was just like, yeah, all right, okay, but it lived up to its name. So Louis Vuitton. Here's the box. The box did come beautifully wrapped in the ribbon, and it came with the gift card if you were gifting this to somebody. And here's the envelope with all of the paperwork, receipt, and return label if I were to return this. And here is the box. The box is a small item, so you can assume or you can just guess that this item is small. And it comes inside the box. It has the bag itself, and the bag comes inside of its dust bag. And are you ready to see what's inside of this dust bag? I'm really excited to share it with you guys. So what I purchased myself was the Louis Vuitton Petit Sac Plat, and I like this bag. I don't know if I 100% love it yet, but I do know I like this bag. I know that I've been wanting this bag for a long time. I've seen tons of YouTube videos on it. I've seen it pop up online on the Louis Vuitton website multiple times. I just kind of like shoved it under the rug and was just like, maybe I'll circle back around to the idea of getting a Petit Sac Plat. But I don't know, like the interest of getting a Petit Sac Plat really heightened out of nowhere. It was very random. Like, I'm very purse satisfied. Yes, I have another monogram piece, and I honestly really don't need another monogram piece, but I don't know why I'm like drawn to this handbag. And what made me even more drawn to the Petit Sac Plat is that I went into the boutique and I just wanted to place my items inside of the bag and just really see, like, get the feel of it. I'm not gonna lie, it did feel like I was playing Tetris. Like, being able to maneuver and organize things inside the bag was pretty interesting. On top of that, I wasn't 100% sure if I wanted this handbag just like the accessibility to like certain items like card holders, phone. Like I don't want to have to like get everything out of the handbag just to get one thing out and then like replace everything. So I know I have to, even though I am the queen of mini bags, I love mini bags, but this is the first bag that I have to really be strategic on what I pack and how I pack it. Because with all my other mini bags, they have some like give to them. They're more malleable. They're a little bit more stretchy, while this bag is kind of like set in its structure. It's a very structured handbag and the sides are concave, so it like limits the amount of stretch you can get. But the Louis Vuitton associate that I had spoken to did say over time the canvas does soften and it gives just a little bit more than how it gives when it's freshly unboxed. So we shall see. I was a little nervous with this bag, but like I'm just going to test it out and see how it goes. It does come with a strap, so there is a strap that comes with it. The strap is not adjustable, but it's detachable, so you can have the bag as a top handle, or you can wear it as a longer shoulder bag or as a crossbody bag. The one issue that I did find with this bag so far is that when I attach the straps to the designated D-ring that it comes with, so these two rings that are sticking up are the designated D-rings, the handles tend to lift, like how this handle is kind of like lifting. Like normally handles are like this. Like it should not, to me it should not be like that. But I found that when I clipped the strap to the opposite like handle strap, or like this right here, I don't know what to like really call this, but this piece of hardware right here, when I attach the strap to this piece of hardware and to this piece of hardware, the handles actually lay even. Yeah, they actually lay even and it's not that noticeable. But for me, I think I'm gonna want to carry this more top handle, but it's great to have the strap as like an added accessory. Like of course you can always use this strap for like other handbags or whatnot, so that's a plus. But for me, this is gonna act more like a clutch and like more of a top handle bag for me. I think it's cute that way. My wrist does fit in the handle part, so like if I'm tired of carrying it, I can put it on my wrist, but that's as far as it really goes. The handbag, for most Louis Vuitton bags, the vachetta usually doesn't come with the patina, but this bag, the vachetta leather, does come pre-treated, so it is kind of like that honey color that people achieve on their vachetta strap. So that's really nice about it. But yeah, so the inside of the bag comes with this coated fabric. It's like this textile lining, and it's what the bag looks like on the inside. And then there's the slip pocket right here. And my handbag was made in France, so yeah. So this is the Petit Sac Plat. I like this bag. I'm not 100% I'm not 100% sure if I love this bag. But I will definitely keep you guys posted about the update of this handbag, the wear and tear, and what fits inside. It's definitely a bag that I don't have in my collection as far as structure. So this is the Petit Sac Plat, and she is new to the family, and we shall see how this goes. I am excited that I do have her. I really am excited. But yeah, this is the Petit Sac Plat. And here is the unicorn item that I received. If you want a video to see what fits inside this bag, please comment that down below. If you like content like this, please give this video a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe, and also don't forget about the giveaway that I'm doing. All the entry details will be in the description box down below. And also follow your girl on Instagram at _simplyfatima_loves luxury. And until next time, my loves, I love you so much. Bye.